Okay, so just a quick announcement. I'm doing a giveaway with my buddy Fisaya Fosudo from the YouTube channel Fosudo. We're giving away the new Tecno Camon CM. That's the new bezel-less Tecno. You know what? Just go on Fisaya's channel and watch his video review of the phone if you've not seen the phone or heard about the phone. Basically, all you have to do to enter to win is follow the Glim link in the description below, and if you're not watching this on YouTube, just follow the link attached to this tweet or check my bio if you're on Instagram or Facebook or wherever else you are. There'll be a link somewhere. Just follow that link and enter. Basically, this is an offer that you cannot refuse. You get to subscribe to 2 awesome YouTube channels, you follow 2 awesome guys on Twitter, and if you're lucky, you get to win a phone. Why would anybody say no to that? Well, why would you say no to that? That's basically just it. I hope whoever wins is somebody who actually really needs the phone and deserves to have a new phone. Thank you so much for the support throughout 2017. This is 2018 now, so you know, let's make awesome stuff together again and let's break all the records. Yeah, so I guess I will see you guys on another video that's shot by Kagan, and peace.